Okay, this is a follow up to the video in regards to the young man that hit the woman in the back of the head with a stone. I went and did some research based on the Jamaica Observer. The police are reporting that what happened, the lady was in a coaster bus with other school children. Uh, some altercation happened, and as a result, she attacked some of the young men with a knife, resulting in about four of them being cut or stabbed. So the young man that hit her in the back of the head with the stone was actually in retaliation to her stabbing his friends. Mind you, know that context is given to the entire video. I understand what is happening. I still stand by what I stated. These young men still do not have any respect for authority, and it's spanning from the home. I stand by everything. However, know that context is now provided. It brings more light to why he acted the way he acted. And I'm not sure if this woman was of unsound mind or whatever it is, or she's just fed up, but that's no justification for her behavior either. But the police officer was there. This young man should have let the police officer deal with the situation. The fact that he did that in front of the police officer is ridiculous. Shows that they have no sense of respect for authority, and also that this any sense of consequence does not register. But those are my thoughts. What are yours?